Sunright Foods was founded in 1975. In its early days, the chairman visited Japan to explore the industry and discovered that tracking and tracing food for safety purposes is just like focusing on tiny details in the past. It is an inevitable issue. Thus, after returning from Japan and setting up the factory in Nantou over 30 years ago, Sunright Foods became the reformer in Taiwan's packaging industry and created a leading brand in small-pack grains and powdered foods. We exported our products indirectly more than 30 years ago. Gradually, we felt that we needed to expand abroad, so we started exporting by participating in global exhibitions. Currently, our customers span 5 continents. For a company to last forever, it must never be satisfied with the status quo. Thus, we considered AI manufacturing, production automation, and intellectual capital when we started planning our second factory in Nantou. We also formed comprehensive plans that included patents, certifications from various countries, and quality inspections. 10 years ago, we introduced many new systems to form a new management mechanism. One of the systems was the AVM Activity Value Management System, which won a Digital Transformation Award for us. In particular, the Vermicelli production line has many parameters. If the parameters are not set correctly, errors will affect quality and lead to customer complaints. Regarding the 2050 net zero carbon goal, the vermicelli production process generates a lot of waste from expired products and a large amount of wastewater. To solve these problems, we introduced the Earthworm Aquaponics system and the water reclamation system. Currently, in Phase 1, we collect about 5,000 tons of wastewater and reclaim soft water 3.78 times at a reclamation value of nearly 67% per month. Vermicelli is a low GI and gluten-free product. Our instant food packs are very popular among young people due to the convenience. We were bold enough to experiment with different flavors and released crowd-pleasing flavors, including beef, tom yum goong, spicy crab, spicy duck blood, xanthos xylem sesame, and tuna sesame flavors. Our vision is to make Sunright the best brand of vermicelli in the world. Sunright means doing things the right way under the sun.